I'll probably hang on to this for the Dream Cruise though.
What would have been your plan otherwise?
Sell it right away. The Dream Cruise, at least for the Firebird when I was doing the donuts, that acts as free advertisement.
Exactly.
So, yeah. Wow, that came out so nice.
That was
No. Hey, yeah. My goodness, you look so naked. Oh yeah. Doors. Let me get the door for
yeah,
you.
maybe.
Oh, she's freaking. Oh yeah. There it goes. Oh yeah. Holy shit. That's cancer. Yep.